Have you ever felt a little afraid, even when everything looks okay? Like something might go wrong, even if it never has? This is the story of a boy named Milo, of invisible fears, a heavy little heart, and the moment he finally learned to let go. In a quiet town where rooftops touched the clouds lived a sweet, thoughtful boy named Milo. He had big, curious eyes, and even bigger thoughts. But not all those thoughts were happy. He worried about school, about loud noises, about saying the wrong thing. He even worried about worrying. And with every new fear, a cloud above him grew. A spelling test? The cloud puffed up. Mama running late? It swirled. Trying something new? It rumbled like thunder. No one else could see it, but Milo felt it. Heavy, gray, always there. One breezy afternoon, Milo sat alone under a big, leafy tree. His backpack beside him, his eyes staring at the sky. His heart felt stormy, his mind loud. And then, something soft brushed his cheek. A breeze, gentle as a feather. In that breeze came a whisper. Not loud, not scary, just warm. You don't have to carry that cloud alone. Milo looked up. No one was there. Just the wind, the branches. And something deep inside him, quiet, peaceful, real. That night, he sat on his bed, blanket wrapped around him. The cloud still hovered above. But this time, he did something new. He closed his eyes, held his hands together, and whispered, God, I'm scared. I don't want to carry this anymore. Here, it's yours now. And something incredible happened. The cloud flickered. It lifted, just a little. And Milo felt lighter. Not because the fears disappeared, but because he wasn't carrying them alone. The next morning, Milo smiled. Not a big, silly grin, just a soft, peaceful one, like sunlight peeking through clouds. And yes, he still felt nervous sometimes, but every time he did, he whispered again, God, I trust you with this one too. The cloud didn't grow. It didn't storm. Sometimes it stayed, but it never felt so heavy again. Let's learn the words Milo came to understand. Worry, a fear that lives inside your thoughts. Heavy, a feeling in your heart when you're scared or sad. Trust, believing someone bigger can help you. Let go, giving your fears to someone who can carry them. Peace, a quiet, calm feeling in your heart. Now I want to ask you, do you have a cloud above you too? Made of thoughts you never say? Fears you carry all alone? Next time that happens, pause, take a deep breath, and say, God, this one's for you. Please hold it for me. Because you're not meant to carry it alone. Not ever again. If this story helped you feel a little lighter, or reminded you of someone special, share it with them. Let's help every child, every parent, every heart. Let go of fear and find peace again. And if you want more stories filled with hope and healing, like, subscribe, and grow with us. One story at a time. You got this.